Team Exercise 6, the Human Typewriter. During this exercise, the team stands in a line at an equal distance from each other. Each person gets one or more letters from the alphabet. The trainer assigns letters in order from left to right by pointing at each person and saying the letter out loud. Everyone needs to remember his or her letter. When the trainer gets to the end of the line, he goes back to the start and continues assigning letters from left to right until he has used all the letters from the alphabet. Now you give the team a sentence that contains every letter of the alphabet. For example, amazingly few discotheques provide jukeboxes. Now it's the team's job to use the letters to type the sentence one letter at a time, in the correct order. If a person has multiple letters, they may need to say more than one letter in a row. It is important that everyone remembers their letters, knows exactly where their letters are in the sentence, and pays close attention to the people presenting them. During the exercise, the team does not talk except for saying the letters. If the team gets lost, confused, or no one says a letter, the trainer can tell them to start over. The team starts over as many times as needed until the whole sentence has been typed. For the second round, the team will have to type their own sentence without being told what it should be. The trainer writes down each letter as they go, so the team can see what has been said. The more the team listens to each other and works together, the easier it will be for them to construct the sentence. In this round, people also have the option to say space. This ends a word and moves on to the next one. Even in the middle of a sentence, each person should have a concept of what the sentence will be. During the exercise, everyone should let go of their own ideas and try to sense where the sentence is leading the team. The sentences they create don't need to be specific or having interesting content. Often there will be absurd sentences. It is interesting for a team to think about what their sentence say about their chemistry. Maybe the team will come to a funny or interesting conclusion. During the exercise, the trainer stands in front of the team, guides them and gives feedback. Read the description below this video on YouTube for more information on how to give the best feedback to a team. And please subscribe to our channel to see more team exercises to improve cooperation and communication.